Hi guys, this is Jay Patel, one of the PA here at MyFitMed. Today we'll talk about the diet for weight loss. So a lot of our patients ask us that when they're on our weight loss program, if we give them any specific diet to follow, or they should follow a specific diet when they're trying to lose weight. So the answer is you don't have to follow a specific diet if you're trying to lose weight. You have to make sure you are calorie deficit. So it's simple, calorie in, calorie out. So you want to eat little less calories than what your body is burning. The other most important thing is follow a diet that you can sustain it for a long period of time. You can follow a specific diet for a very short period of time and may lose weight, but if you can't follow it for a long time, you are going to gain everything back. So you want to eat more protein, cut down on sugar, but increase your complex carbs. So really keep it simple. Eat healthy, eat clean, and eat less. Make sure that you are calorie deficit, and that's the most important thing to lose weight. And to maintain it, the most important thing is to follow that diet for longer period of time. So make sure you're not being victim of all these marketed diets. Just keep it really simple that you can follow for a long time. If you have any question, just give us a thumbs up and follow us for more videos.